Happens when gasoline burns? What is octane? And what is carbon monoxide? This is a video for curious students. Gasoline has several different components, but one of them is octane. Notice there are 8 carbons, and each carbon has some hydrogens connected to it. When we burn gasoline in the presence of oxygen, each carbon needs to have 2 oxygens coming towards it. So here are lots of little oxygens trying to get to each one of these carbons. Let's look at one situation. Here's one carbon. Here comes the oxygen. What will happen is that these will bind together. So we've got a carbon holding hands with these oxygens, and that becomes carbon dioxide. Now, the general idea is that you have the 8 carbons, right? Sometimes we have to get the numbers right here. And you combine them with oxygen. That's the gasoline. There's the oxygen. After it burns, you get carbon dioxide and water. Now, if it doesn't burn completely, remember that first look here? How can we get all of these little guys coming in at the same time? Sometimes it doesn't come completely. So you get little carbon monoxide, which is C and O together. That's what happens up here, carbon monoxide. So they have a special way, which you can find out, to burn this more quickly. This is the end of this video, but I want you to look out. There are some numbers missing. And for those of you who are especially curious, I will show you more in the next video. So thank you very much for looking. This is part of the joy of figuring things out, finding things out, the pleasure of finding things out. I recommend that book. And if you'd like to ask questions, you can send them to Mr. Steve. Thank you for your time. And please visit this Facebook page, Space Path Ahead, for adventures in space.